Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick video about how to change the scaling of your gauges. Now this is very helpful when swapping your gauges for the M3 gauges, which is a very popular mod, and you actually change the layout of the gauges, but you're gonna have to change the scaling also, or else you get a false readout. Now I'm using the Bimmer Geeks Pro Tool app for this. Yeah, the feature is a bit hidden, but I was just playing around with it one day and I found it. The Pro Tool app is obviously connected. Now, cars and accessory mode, you want to go to interior, then go to Combi cluster, and then we're going to go to functions. And you can see here N54 exclusive gauges. It's going to give you a warning. This function alters the scaling of your gauges only to be used when changing the gauge plates with N54 exclusive faces. Obviously, we're going to do this. Now, I'm not going to do this to my car, but because I don't have the gauges. But here you can see here 160 mile gauge stock, which is what my car has, or the 200 mile power gauge, and this is what you want to do if you have fitted the M3 gauges. You can also pick a different oil temp gauge. Yeah, I'm gonna leave mine stock today, but that's basically it. Press the option, confirm, and you're good to go. Then the clutch is gonna reset, and you're done. It may ask you to cycle the ignition, but after that, you're good to go. So if you have any more questions or requests, leave them down below. I will try to answer them, and if I have any time, I'll make a video about it. If you like this video, if it was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and well, see you guys in the future.